Hello inventors, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create Tetris game using MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the demo of this game first, then we will create this game step by step. As you can see here, that's the game first screen. Click on start game and you will see here that's the 4 button, left, rotate, bottom, right. So I will make it left, this left. I will just make this one the right. So this will go to the right like this. Okay, click on bottom to make it okay, just make it right. Yes, it's the amazing. Let's go to the left and click on bottom, the bottom, and let's make the game over. The game is over, score is 2. Okay, done. Now click on restart game and you can again start. So first of all we need to click on start new project and my project name is Tetris game app and okay. So as you can see here, that's our first screen, okay, of our game. So what I will do, I will use your one layout, click on layout and I will use your vertical arrangement, this one. And I need to make this one fill parent height and width both like this. And I'm going to use here one button, okay, this one button. Click on vertical arrangement and make this align horizontal to the center, vertical to the center like this. Click on this button and just change that text here, and you can change this text to something is start game like this, okay. And you can change the background color of this button also. So I will make this color something here from the purple something, and I will change that font text color to the white, and I will make that font size at least 30, okay. And I'm gonna change this background color to the black something like this. What you can do here, you can add here one background image, okay. So now whenever someone click on this start game, okay, so we need to redirect them to the another screen, okay. So how we can do this? So I'm going to hide this screen, this layout, and in another layout click on layout again and I will use again vertical arrangement like this, and I will make this width and height as fill parent same, and I'm going to use here 3 layouts, 3 horizontal arrangement, okay. So just make it the fill is with this fill is parent like this, just copy and paste 3 times. Now in the center one I will make this height is also the fill parent like this. This is going to be our game screen. Now what I will do, in the bottom I need here 4 buttons, okay, to make it left, right and bottom and rotate. So click on user interface and just drag and drop one button here, and I will make this button is like left, okay, and I'm going to change that background color is like 18 something like this, okay. Now what I will do, I will just make this button width is also some percentage is around 20% like this, and I will just copy and paste it 3 times more, 1 2 3. So we have 4 buttons here, okay. So in the another button I will just make it rotate, okay. In the third button I will make this one is as a bottom, and last 4 button is I will make it right like this, okay. Now click on horizontal arrangement and make this in a center and center like this. Make sure use some space between all these buttons. To make some space, what I will do here, I will use some labels. So just remove the text from the label like this and use width is in some percentage is like 2% or 1% something like this, okay. And what I will do, I'll just copy and paste it, okay. So just copy this and drag it here, then again copy this and drag it here, and this one we have 4th button, okay. Now we have all 4 buttons here, and what I will do, in the top I will display the score. So I will use here the label and I just say here score like this. I will make it like 20, and in a score I will use one more label here, and I will display here 0 as I score, and I will make it as a 30 or this should be 20, okay. And I will make it a font bold, this one, okay, like this. This is our score. So in that horizontal, this one, what I will do, I will change that background color to something is like, let's just play with this. So I will make this one like this color or something, this color. So I need to make both label color to the white like this, and the score color I will white itself. Cool. And what I will do in that horizontal arrangement, I will make this background color to the black like this. So that's our screen here. Okay, we need to use here one plugin. It's a free plugin. Okay, so open the new tab and just type here Tetris extension for App Inventor. I will give you the link of that AIX file in the description. So just open this, scroll down, and you will find here a lot of properties. So we just need to get here the AIX file, this one. Okay, so just download this AIX file, go to the MIT App Inventor. In the left side you will find the option of extension. Click on import extension and just import this extension like this here, and just click on import. Now just drag and drop this extension here. Simple. Now I will just disable that music. Okay, and now let's go to the block section. So first what we need to do, whenever someone click on that button, okay, so go to the design, and as you can see here, this is the vertical arrangement. Okay, and this is the vertical arrangement 1, and this is the 2. So first one is our, this one is our start game. Okay, so once the people click on, okay, user click on button 1, so we will hide that vertical arrangement and we will display the vertical arrangement 2. Okay, so for now I will hide this one. Okay, go to the block. So whenever someone click on the button 1, okay, so once the people click on button 1, so I will hide. Okay, first I will hide the vertical arrangement 1. So make it visible false. Okay, like this, and make this another one. Okay, vertical arrangement 2 should be true, like this. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to create one procedure. So click on procedure, and you can see the procedure like this, and just say start game. Okay, and I will call that procedure. Okay, once the people click on that button 1, okay, start game button. Cool. Now in that procedure, what I need to do, I need to set up the whole game. Okay, so first of all I need to set that where I have to display that overall block. So as you can see here, as you can Tetris.view layout. Okay, this is the view layout. So I will just add this view layout in this one. Which one? Horizontal arrangement, this one. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, that where we have to display our game here. Okay, in the center. Now go to the block. So now we need to use some properties here. So in the left side you will find the Tetris here, and you will see the destroy instance. Okay, so just see here, this one, destroy instance. Okay, this one we have to call, and then we have to call create renders. So just click on Tetris to create renders. This one we just need to call it here, and the third we have to assign the layout. Okay, now we need to add blocks. Okay, so how can I add this? So I need some images here. So what I will do, I have some images. So in the download folder, as you can see, Tetris asset pack. So as you can see here, I have 3, 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8 blocks. Okay, so what you can do, you can create your own block in design, and you can use all these blocks in your game. So I will use all these here, and I have downloaded all these design from here. As you can see, Tetris asset pack.rar file. Okay, so now here let's go to the MIT App Inventor, and we need to upload all these images. Okay, one by one. So click on upload file, click on choose file, click on pack, and as you can see, cell 0.png, just select this one and okay, and we have to do it 8 times. Okay, so upload file, then again choose file. So I have uploaded all the images, all the blocks here. Okay, now what you need to do, go to the block here. Okay, and in the left side click on this extension Tetris, and as you can see here, cell Tetris.add cell image, index and then image. Okay, so I will call this. Okay, and here in the index I have to define the 0. First go to maths and just define this. In the index in the 0 index I have to use this image. So which image? So go to the text, and I'll just put here text field, and I will use here one image name. So image name is cell 0.png. So how to find that image? As you can see, we already have uploaded cell 0.png. Okay, and another one cell 1.png, 2.png, like this. Okay, till 7. So I need to do the same thing. Okay, so just repeat this task. I just need to change here is the 1, and I need to change it here also is 1, like this. Okay, like this. Just 2 again and again. So we have done all the things, right? Now we need to call a start game. Okay, so click on Tetris and you will see here the start game, this one. In the last we have to call it here. Now we have to do actions for button. Okay, so how we can do this? As you can see here, so we have one button is left. Okay, and this button name is, okay, this button name is button 2. So go to the block. So when someone click on button 2, okay, so when someone click on button 2 like this, so what I will do here, I will click on this extension Tetris, and you will see the option of moving left. So see, just scroll down and you will find the move block to left, this one. Simple. We just need to do the simple thing. Okay, so just I will use here 4 buttons, like, okay, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay, and in the that third button, okay, so I have to just check that in which is this one is the third button, this is the third button, and I have to rotate. Okay, so go to the again, okay, Tetris, and you will see the rotate option here is, where is rotate? As you can see, rotate block, this one. Call this here, and in the fourth button, as you can see here, bottom. So in the bottom, go to the block again. Okay, it's a 4 button, right? Fourth button. Like, click on bottom, you will see the fourth button. Go to the block and again go to the Tetris, and you will see the bottom. Move to the bottom. Move block to right, left, and bottom. This one, fine. And the last button, okay, this one button is for right. So just go to the Tetris again and just go to the here, and you will find move to right. Simple. Now it's done. Now as you can see here, we have done the 4 button coding, we have done the Tetris, we will display here Tetris, and now we need to use here score. How we can increase the score? What I will do, go to the block section again and click on that Tetris, and you will see the option of when the score is changed. Okay, score change, this one. So we will add that score in our level, and in which level we have to add a score? This one level, and this level is our level 5. Okay, so level 5, so level 5, set level 5 dot text. Okay, this value as that score, like this. Done. Now let's go to the Tetris again, and you will see the option of when the game is over. Okay, when the game is over, like this. When the game is over, we can display the game over layout. Okay, so go to the design. So we have to create game over layout again. Okay, one more layout. So as you can see here, vertical arrangement 2, 1. Okay, and I will just copy this one. Okay, and as you can see, this one is a third one. Okay, so in that third one, I will hide first, second one. In the third one, I need to use as restart game. Restart game, this one. Okay, once the people click on restart game, okay, so I will again call one procedure. Okay, so go to the block, or what I will do, I will just use here one, label or something is like game over. Like let me just show this label. Okay, this one, and I will use one more label, 2 label. Okay, so why I will first, let me just show you label first one. I will use the white text, this one, and I will just say here game over, like this. And in the another label, your score is, okay, your score is, I will just use here this one, and I will make this one text color to the white. Okay, or I will just display the score only. Okay, so let's go to the, let me just font size is 20 at least. Game over should be 30. Game over, your score is restart game. I will make that restart game button to the 20, like this. Okay, now, or 15 is fine, or 18 something. Okay, now let's go to the block. Okay, so once the game is over, so I will display. So first what I need to do, we need to hide vertical arrangement 2. Okay, make sure this visual should be, this should be visible, this should be false, this one. Okay, and visible third one should be enable, this one should be true, like this. And one more thing, we need to display the score also. Okay, so we need to set score. So where we will display the score, this is the label, this is the label 7. So in the label 7, label 7 dot text, this one. Okay, so here we need to just set label. Okay, and I will just add here a score, this one. Cool. So this is the overall game. Okay, so on the restart button click, okay, so on the restart button click, we have to turn code is like this is the button 6. So on button 6, once the people click on restart, so I will call again the setup, okay, procedure. So just the procedure is start game, this one. Okay, like this. So okay, wait a second, there is some error. I think something is missing, or we already have used the button 6. Okay, this is the copy from here. Okay, got it. So I will just delete this one. As you can see, in the button 6 we are hiding the 1, and vertical should be 3 should be false, 2 should be true, and then start game. Cool. This is the overall game. Let me just try this how this will work. Okay, make sure first we need to hide this one also, we need to hide vertical arrangement 2 also, and we need to just display the 1, this one. Okay, so that's the overall game. If you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.